Lesson 5, Weight Training. Todd wants to lift weights to get in shape, but he doesn't want huge muscles. His coach said that lifting weights doesn't always build big muscles. Sometimes people lift weights to get bigger muscles, but Todd's coach is right. Weight training can improve strength without making muscles bigger. Weight training is the use of weights to make muscles stronger or bigger. Weight training improves strength and muscular endurance. There are two basic kinds of weight training: strength development and bodybuilding. How you lift weights depends on your fitness goals. Some people, like Todd, want to strengthen their muscles without making them bigger. Other people spend a lot of time making their bodies stronger and their muscles bigger. These people are bodybuilders. A bodybuilder usually lifts more weight and does fewer repetitions and does fewer numbers of sets than someone who doesn't want big muscles. Repetitions are the number of times you do an exercise. A set is a group of repetitions. For some people, it doesn't matter how much they lift weights. They will have a hard time getting big muscles. For other people, developing big muscles is very easy. In fact, increasing muscle size is usually easier for boys than it is for girls. To get bigger muscles, female bodybuilders follow very specific weight training programs. There are two types of weight training equipment: free weights and machines. Free weights include dumbbells, barbells, and curl bars. To use free weights, you add weight to an empty bar and secure the weight with a collar. You can usually do a greater variety of exercises with free weights than with machines. Machines use a system of pulleys to let you control the weight as you lift it. Machines are designed for a specific muscle group. The number of exercises you can do with a machine is often limited, but a machine ensures that a specific muscle group is exercised correctly. Safety is very important. To lift weights safely, you should follow several simple rules. Use a spotter. A spotter is someone who can take weight away if you can't finish a lift. Lift weights in pairs or in small groups. Take turns to rest. Make sure that free weights are secured to the bar. Make sure you understand how a machine works. Adjust machines to your size. Lift only as much weight as you can lift with the correct form. Exercise both sides of a joint to prevent injury. For example, if you exercise your chest, you should exercise your shoulders. Always use correct form. If necessary, use a weight belt to support your back. But if a weight belt is never a substitute for good form. It is important to lift weights correctly. If your form is wrong, you can hurt yourself. You may also make it less likely for your muscles to get stronger. To ensure that you're lifting correctly, ask someone who knows. Ask a physical education teacher, coach, or fitness trainer. Any of these people can show you how to do exercises correctly. They can also help you set goals for training. And they can tell you which exercises will help you reach those goals. You may also suggest that you talk to your doctor first. Visiting your doctor before starting an exercise program is a good idea. Weight training often starts with exercises that use body weight to make muscles stronger. These exercises include push-ups, pull-ups, and curl-ups. The exercises get your body ready to use free weights and machines.